What's going on, everybody? My name is Barry. Thank you for tuning in today's episode, today's vlog. Today I am going to be dropping off the quote for what it costs to fix my front lip. Now I don't think the shipping company's gonna like the number because it says 2,142 euro. In the United States, that's about $2,600. So they're not gonna like the estimate, but you know what? They dealt the damage. They're gonna deal with it. They messed up my Lexus RCF front lip, so they're gonna fix it. So, all right, I hope they don't give me any trouble, because if I do get trouble and say no, I'm gonna have to get a different quote, lower it, which I don't want to lower it because they messed up my car. So let's see what happens. Passing through the little town of Grafenweer. Nice little town here. And guess what? These guys in there, those guys over there, whatever that shop is, they still have not given me the quote. The gentleman, the owner, whoever he is, he said that he messed up, forgot for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks, forgot to give me a quote. That's the first shop that I went to for a quote. He said he forgot. So, and you know what? I went to him yesterday and he said, I will get you the quote tonight. And guess what? It's the next day, still no quote. So, screw that place. Ooh. Watch out for that ditch. Yep. Found myself here again at the Schmid and Sittner. Place is pretty cool. I think there's a little small hangout here today, so I'm here to pretty much thank them for the quote, because now it's under review. I was able to submit the quote, but they have to bring it back to stateside and let them look at it for, like, I don't know, 10 days. Then they'll tell me what's up. And air down. Nice. Alright, and we here back at Schmidt and Sitter. And I brought some Dunkin' Donuts for the people. Hopefully they like my gift, as they were helping me out with the quote. So, what's up? Brought something for you. Some donuts for you. Thank you. Thank you. Well, hopefully I can get a donut too, because I'm hungry too. But anyways, back at the shop. Something's happening here. Well, I'm gonna get a glazed donut. All right, somebody wants to hear me rev this car. It's an okay tone. I like it though.
It sounds good.
It's got deep throat tone. I like it.
Wait, so does it open up? Does these ones open up?
No, it's not. It doesn't have a valve. No valve. Let's go though. I like it the way it is.
I like it.
I like the tips being like burnt tips.
So this one is just it's just.
Yeah.
Okay.
Comes like that, which is great. All right, so I think I have a bunch of fanboys. Well, especially him. He's a giant fanboy. He wants to see the active wing move. So let's make it move. Are you impressed?
I'm impressed.
You want to hear some reps?
Yeah.
Hold up.
What's up, man?
Always gotta put it in neutral when you try to do something like that. All right, time to go. See ya. All right, time to go. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm gonna do something. Got the police over there. Back in this little town of Grafenwehr. Let's see what is there around here. Oh, this road is gonna mess up my wheel alignment. Wow. You got the little park as usual. First time being hand washed in Germany. Clean. Well, the weather got better, so I'm just exploring Grafenwehr still. A lot of people out today. I don't know what car this is in front of me, but it's pretty nice. Now I'm heading towards a town called Aschebach. They all look kind of the same for now. Found myself a little plaza. And there's nobody here, but it's okay because I'm here and I'm just gonna park my car. Just look at my car. All right, what's going on out here? You know, they say that the parking spots here in Germany are pretty small. I think it fits just right. Just right. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be today's video. Thank you for watching. I really hope this quote that I turned in is gonna work out and that I get what I need to fix my front lip. For now, it sucks, but I'm trying to do what I can with a cracked front lip. But other than that, again, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.